Hello kids, today we are going to learn a very special letter. The letter A, this is the letter A, can you say it? Great job, the letter A says, oh, I say it with me, ah. A is for apple, apple starts with a, apple. A is for ant, ant starts with a, ant is for airplane. Airplane starts with a, airplane, A says apple, and airplane. A says amazing job, kids. Today we learned the letter A says See you next time. Bye bye.